In this video, I'm going to explain how to claim a Rocket Raccoon shield in Monopoly Go. So first, what even is it? The Rocket Raccoon is a witty member of the Guardians of the Galaxy, which you are likely aware of, it's from the movie, and is a fan-favorite character known for his sharp intellect and sarcastic humor. His essence is perfectly captured in his exclusive shield inside the Monopoly Go game in their collab. So, how to actually get it? Now, to unlock the Rocket Raccoon shield, you will need to complete level 11 in the upcoming Treasures of the Galaxy Dig event in Monopoly Go. As always, pickaxes are your key to breaking through tiles and uncovering this special reward. What I also want to tell you though is that this event will start on November 20th and will go all the way through November 24th. So in case you're watching this prior to that date or past that date, unfortunately, you'll likely have to wait for another opportunity to be able to get the Rocket Raccoon shield. However, if it's between November 20th and November 24th, this Treasures of the Galaxy event and the minigame inside it are likely available and you'll be able to get it. So, as I said, get your pickaxes ready and start digging when you can. Earlier this season though, I also wanted to say that players who subscribed to Mr. M's mailing list were treated to an exclusive Rocket Raccoon token. If you are on that list, keep an eye on your inbox because Scopely often sends out exciting freebies like the Spellbound Sophia token, so stay alert for more surprises in case you want to get this for yourself. Now, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.